This machine's spindle is 2 kilowatts air cooling type, which is used for the different designs engraving or carving, such as the chair legs, stairs etc. What the SmartX CNC Wood Lathe features. Firstly, the machine adopts DSP controller with USB connection, more convenient operation. Secondly, is that the whole lathe machine has integrated cast iron structure, which is high temperature annealing and vibrating stress relief, so the lathe machine body is stabilized and will not be deformed easily, and last longer lifespan. Thirdly is the ATC CNC Wood Lathe adopts domestic top brand motor to ensure high precision. Fourthly, operating system has friendly easy operation interface, English suggestion and simple setting method. Fifth, spindle system is divided into single axial and biaxial. Sixth, transmission system adopts hidden square rail and corkscrew to control the linear error effectively. 7, one-time tool setting to finish the whole workpiece. 8. Compatible with several CAD/CAM design software such as Type 3, Arkham, etc. 9. The ATC Wood Lathe can completely work offline and do not take any computer resources. 10. 4th axis for 3D carving and cutting. If you need such kinds of CNC Wood Lathe machine, welcome to contact SmartX for an offer.